Hi guys, welcome to another video. Gaming Chicken here. It's good to be back after 5 or 6 months. So everyone, I've been doing some stuff off camera, and as you can see, I am once again in a different account. Or whatever. Don't press the button. The name of the game is, but it's just a button, and it's just a a coin. Ah! Phew, the coin distracted me, otherwise I would be dead. Okay, Phil Swift. I'm going to press it again. Wait, what's... Oh, diamond. What? We have to fight? Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. You're not good. I killed you. A chicken. I am. Chicky. McChick. I kill everyone. You want to die? You want to die? I have a good idea. You want to die, don't you? Hey, get over here. Stay away from that coin. That's my coin. Hey, you stole my diamond. You stole my diamond. You stole my diamond. I think I won. Oh my. Gaming Chicken wins. Boom. The winner. Gaming Chicken. Everyone, I'm better than you. Oh. Hope this music isn't copyrighted. Well, I mean on the street, running in the 90s. Okay. Oh, guys, I died. Oh, I died. That is not good. Oh, God, that's not good. Hey, don't click the button. I clicked it. They say don't press the button. I pressed the button. I pressed the button, dude. Oh, a no bitty. My favourite thing in the whole universe. I am so sad right now. Dobby is gone. If you click the button, I'll murder you. Oh God. Why can't I get to the corner? Hey, that was easy. One of the corners disappears. Okay, I can do it. All poo-poo. I was just on that one. Okay. Oh, coin. You guys think it might fall again? Okay, you guys try that. I'll try it too. As if. Oh my God. Okay. Hey, I survived. Cool. What the? I'm not being tricked. This is the death. Over. No, stay away, Baldy. Stay away, Baldy. Stay away, Baldy. Stay away, Baldy. Stop. Can I get a gun from the shop? No. Is he gone? Did he just explode? Banana na. Tornado! Run! Dead. The tornado is like, it's a secret. Okay, I'll stop. I wanted the coin! The coin! No! Again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. Oh my. Hey, I survived again. Don't click the button. Don't click the button. I'm doing it. No, I'm clicking the button this time. Where's the button? Yeah. It's Slenderman here. Slendy. Ah, Slenderman. Ah! It's Slenderman! Oh, wait. That was... It's your banana, na na na. Num num num, num num num. Don't do it. Oh, no. Okay, so guys, I realized... What the... Oh, no. What's happening? Oh, God. Oh, God. All of the tiles are falling. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Help, help, help me. I'm going to die. Eh, eh, eh. That guy's smart. Just jump and none of them will fall. Oh, a coin. Coin. I took the coin. Poop. Oh no. From the last video. Train. The train. I thought the normal elevator was bad. This button. Victory Royale. Oh, look. Oh no, I keep... Hey, wait, what if there's a coin in... Oh, everyone's dead, okay. Oops. So guys, I'd just like to talk about some stuff. Not this time. So basically, Gaming Chicken is gonna get new... Oh, come on! So Gaming Chicken is going to... Gaming Chicken is going to become the... I haven't picked a name, but at the end of this video, there's gonna be a poll. No, I'll just decide myself. So I'm thinking about the name Gaming Team, but that sounds too much like we only play a game. How about Chicken in Team? Nope. Where's the banana na na na? Where's the banana na? Where's the banana na? Oh no, not this again. No, not doing this time. Not this time. No, not this time. I'm just gonna do everyone else's stupid ideas. Lol. I just pranked him. Ooh, a coin and a diamond. Hey, ah! Ow. So guys, I'd like to say Gaming Chicken is becoming a full team. So we got Mo and Norman the cat. And this is a great note to end the video on. Everyone. So, I'm gonna be doing some things with Gaming Chicken. As you know, I play Roblox a lot. Okay, actually the only game I play on this is basically Roblox. But, listen. Soon, we're gonna have loads of games on here. Okay? So, basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna get a team, and this channel is gonna be renamed to Gaming Team. Nah. Gaming Chicken Team. No. Chicken Team. Well, for now, it's called Chicken Team. From now, it's called Chicken Team. No matter what it says, Mo. It's not being called Mo Team. Right, as I beat. Goodbye, guys.